Innovation project, My Smart Solution. Today, Maya is working on something big. Momo tells her, it's time to solve a real-world problem by building her own smart project. Maya starts by asking, what problem do I want to solve? She thinks of everyday problems. A trash bin that spills over. A student who forgets homework. A room that gets too messy. With a little tech and imagination, she can fix one. She decides to make a smart trash bin. It will use sensors to check when it's full, and then beep or send a signal. She sketches the design and writes down what her system needs: a sensor, logic rules, and an output. Time to build. Maya opens a coding tool. She doesn't need wires or real trash, she simulates everything on her screen. She adds an input sensor to detect fullness. A logic block that says, if bin is full, play beep. An output block that sounds an alert. She tests her system. The bin fills up. The logic works. The buzzer sounds. Her smart solution is working just like she imagined. She presents her project to her classmates. By explaining what problem she solved, how the logic works, what will she improve next time. Other students also share amazing ideas. From reminder systems to smart fans, every solution shows how tech and creativity come together. Maya learned that solving problems with technology means planning, building, testing, and sharing. And the best part? Anyone can be an innovator, even in grade 5.